Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable LED indicator on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First of all, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom. Then you want to scroll slightly to the left and then go into transmitter settings. In the transmitter settings, you want to scroll almost all the way to the right until you will see LED indicator. In here, you can simply click it, and as you can see, by default it is turned on. The indicator is what you see here, and currently it is turned to green, but you can always disable this. And as you can see, the indicator no longer is flashing green, but if you want, you can always keep that on, so you know when the transmitter is actually connected to your receiver. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.